Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing the car and your workspace. Safety prevents damage and injury. First, park level, engage the handbrake and chock wheels. You then unlatch any external lock and inspect for a hidden emergency release cable inside the cabin. Pull it if present. Once done, remove interior trunk trim clips using a pry bar and torchlight to reveal hinge bolts and electrical connectors. Make sure to lay a blanket under the boot to protect paint and parts. You now support the boot securely. Use a prop or have an assistant hold it, because loose hinges will let it drop. Next, disconnect all wiring harnesses, taillight plugs, central lock wires, and any sensor leads. Label each connector to speed reassembly. Then unfasten the hinge bolts in a controlled sequence, loosening each side a bit before full removal so alignment stress is minimized. Keep bolts and spacers sorted in separate labeled bags to preserve factory spacing and torque order. You lift the boot straight upward with two people to prevent twisting that bends hinges or cuts wiring. Once removed, inspect rubber seals, the striker plate, and wiring for frays or corrosion. Replace any worn components so the boot seals and locks reliably. Before reinstallation, clean mating surfaces and lightly grease hinge points. When reinstalling, reverse the removal steps, tighten bolts to spec, reconnect wiring, and then test the boot's open/close and electronic functions. If it misaligns, loosen hinges slightly and realign. Small shifts fix binding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.